Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students. Here is Seema Kaushal. I am second standard teacher. My subject is EVS. Today I teaching you lesson number 3, Growing Up. In this chapter Growing Up, we will read about different stages of Nina's life and all living things grow and how similar, how different. In this chapter Growing Up, we will meet Nina and her family, where she is taken her family, mother and father till she grow up to be an adult. This chapter is also describe the people who look different each other, different stages of growth in Nina's life and living things. So now we are going to learn about growing up. Listen carefully, my dear students. Growing up. This is a picture of Nina when she was born. She was then a baby. She could not take care of herself. Her mother and father looked after her. This is picture of Nina. ये नीना की पिक्चर है. When she was born, B-O-R-N, born, यानी कि पैदाइश, जब वो पैदा हुई थी. She was then a baby, तब वो बच्ची थी. She could not take care of herself, वो खुद का ख्याल नहीं रख सकती थी. Her mother and father looked after her, उसकी मम्मी पापा ने उसकी केयर की. Now Nina is 6 years old. She is a young child. She can walk, talk and eat on her own. She goes to school. There she learns different things about the world around her. Now Nina is 6 years old. Nina 6 साल की है. She is a young child. वो एक छोटी बच्ची है. She can walk, talk and eat on her own. नीना अब खुद से चल सकती है, बात कर सकती है, अब वो खुद से खा भी सकती है. She goes to school. नीना अब स्कूल जाती है. There she learns different things about the world around her. वो अपने आसपास की दुनिया के बारे में अलग अलग चीजें सीखती है. This is a picture of Nina and her mother. ये फोटो नीना और उसके मम्मी की है. Let us look at it carefully. आइए इसे carefully देखते हैं. We will find many differences between the young child, Nina, and her mother, who is an adult. In few years, Nina will grow up and become an adult like her mother. In a few years, कुछ सालों में Nina will grow up and become an adult like her mother. नीना बढ़कर अपनी मम्मा की तरह adult हो जाएंगी. Many years from now, Nina will grow very old like her grandmother. G-R-A-N-D, grand. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother यानी कि दादी. Many years from now, अब से बहुत से सालों में, Nina will grow very old like her grandmother. नीना अपनी दादी की तरह बहुत बड़ी होंगी. Our bodies change as we grow old. जैसे जैसे हम बूढ़े होते हैं हमारी बॉडी में चेंजेस आते हैं. When we grow very old, our body becomes weak. W-E-A-K, weak यानी कि कमज़ोर होना. जब हम बहुत बूढ़े हो जाते हैं तब हमारी बॉडी बहुत कमज़ोर हो जाती है. This picture shows Ritu at different stages of her life. Number them in the right order. It's given here some pictures. It's all about child. This is a picture of Ritu when she was a baby, and then she is turning a girl, and she is 7-year-old girl, and she will grow up and become an adult, and she will grow up to become a woman, and after that she is turning into an old woman. So my dear students, now we learn about all living things grow. Most living things need oxygen, water, and food to grow. Other living things eat plants or other animals for food. Plants too change with age. A plant is born from a seed. Then it grows into a seedling. A seedling is a small plant. Next, it becomes a fully grown plant. After some years, the plant dies. Plants are the only living things that make their own food with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. They use air, sunlight, water, and minerals to prepare food. Look at this tiny eggs of a bird. They hatch into a small baby bird called nestling. A nestling grows, learns to fly, and becomes an adult bird. How similar, how different. Manisha is a young girl. She is tall and fair. Her hair is long. She has black eyes. This is Manisha. Satish is a fat young boy. He wears glasses. He has curly hair. Madhu is a young woman. She has short hair. and dark skin. She has light brown eyes. Jagmohan is a young man. He is short. He he has mustache. Satish, Manisha, Madhu, Jagmohan are all people who look different from each other. Satish, Manisha, Madhu, and Jagmohan are all members of the same family, yet they look different from one another. These pictures given above show that ऊपर दी गई इस पिक्चर में ये जाहिर होता है द हेड कैन बी बिग और स्मॉल. हेड बिग और स्मॉल हो सकता है. द नोज कैन बी ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप एंड साइज. नोज भी अलग अलग शेप और साइज की हो सकती है. द आइज कैन बी ब्राउन, ब्लैक, ग्रीन और ग्रे. आँखें ब्राउन, ब्लैक और ग्रीन और ग्रे हो सकती है. द हेयर कैन बी स्ट्रेट, कर्ली, शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग. बाल सीधे, स्ट्रेट, छोटे या लंबे हो सकते हैं. इट कैन बी ब्लैक, ब्राउन और इवन लाइटर. ये ब्राउन और लाइटर भी हो सकते हैं. द स्किन कैन बी डार्क, व्हाइटिश और फेयर. स्किन व्हाइटिश और फेयर हो सकती है. A person can be tall, short, fat or thin. A person can be short, tall, fat, thin हो सकता है, होता है. Although all human beings have similar organs, there is a difference in color, shape and size of everyone. In fact, you are the only person exactly like yourself. Some people are thin while others are fat, and some others are short while others are tall. All living things grow. All of us look different as we grow older. All human beings have similar body parts, but their features differ a lot in color, shape and size. We all grow up. We change in shape, size as we grow. Plants and animals also grow. There are some words from this chapter. Grow, G-R-O-W, grow, to become bigger. बड़ा होना, छोटे से बड़े होने को ग्रो कहते हैं. सीडलिंग, एक छोटा प्लांट जो सीड से बनता है उसे सीडलिंग कहते हैं. जो एक पौधा होता है जिसे हमें उगाना होता है तो हम उसमें पहले सीड डालते हैं तो एक छोटा सा प्लांट निकलता है तो उसको हम सीडलिंग कहते हैं. वुमेन, फीमेल, आपकी मम्मा, दादी, सिस्टर, दे आर ऑल वुमेन. लिविंग थिंग्स, जो सांस लेते हैं उनको लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं। द थिंग्स एनिमल पीपल प्लांट्स दोज हु ब्रीथ, उन्हें हम लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं। नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स that doesn't life, when a baby is born, she cannot take care of him herself. A baby grows into a young child. Later the young child becomes an adult. Many years later the adult becomes very old. We all look different from each other. Some people are thin while others are fat, and some are short while others are tall. That's all for today. Thank you so much for hearing me.